What's poppin'? It's your favorite DJ Apex and Nazi Mafit. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady, and you know what it is.
Oh yeah, Mafit. So it's a new episode. It's the show What's Poppin'. The usual Mafit. The best content ever Mafit. We'll still got more and more and more. So today we have the best updates from Amapiano, and we also have Amarelise Bafethu.
Yes,
so let's just get straight to it. So Spete Elaine Bafethu. Elaine reunites with major league DJs for euphoric new single called One More Dance.
Oh, what? Oh, what? Guys, I can't wait to get ukuthi basiphatheleni ke this time around. Because bake basebenzisana ne back then.
I feel like they've worked before, but I'm not really sure of umculo wabo, but isource yami ithi they are reuniting.
Yeah.
So that means
so
they've
guys,
worked before.
you know the name reunited.
Reunites. So meaning hey, it's a major comeback for the artist now. So Bafethu, stay tuned. Nibhekeni hey trickles ayo hey major league nani nazi Bafethu amawele ayashisa. Oh yeah. Sinphethele uDavido Bafethu. So the African music icon Davido has once again highlighted the creative influence of South African producers, revealing that his collaboration with Jezwel GLCJ on his latest album Oriade.
Wow, guys.
So it turns out the album was driven by a long-standing admiration for their sound and musical innovation. Davido. Shout out to Davido.
Shout out.
Yeah, Bafethu, let's continue with the show. Sinphethele uDemthuda Bafethu. uDemthuda unveils a long-awaited noise EP.
Oh yeah. It's like uDemthuda simgcineni mina shem it's been a while. So nje I can't wait ukuzwa iEP like uDemthuda. Ingoma zakhe ngiyazazi guys, ama-hit, so ngiyathemba le EP sizothanda Bafethu.
Yeah. Let's hope EP lakhe lentswembu Bafethu. Plus uDemthuda uyashisa Bafethu. Mara mina personally ngimgcine kwi project lakhe aphethe uNobuhle. There was an album ayikhiphile. There was the few songs that featured Unobuhle. That was the best album for me. I forgot the name of the album, but like uDemthuda, let's support the OG, because there's a good time fun. I'm keep my OGs anyazi Bafethu na. I want to love they are the best in the game. Bafethu. Okay, sapusha isho yethu Bafethu. There's a docu-series ezodlala ku-SABC1 called For the Culture. I am an Amapiano story. It's like a documentary Amapiano type of thing. Yeah.
If you want to know more about Amapiano, stay tuned to SABC1 Bafethu. Yeah,
let's hope ukuthi izodlala na ku YouTube Bafethu.
Because
I know abanye benu basencane SABC.
Let's hope so.
Spete DJ Zinhle Bafethu. DJ Zinhle releases a highly anticipated self-titled EP called Zinhle.
Okay. Called Zinhle.
Libizwa Zinhle.
Okay.
Her name, like following historic Spotify milestone. So I think Zinhle made a mark with Spotify. That's why I was kanjalo.
Okay.
So mangia deep to my source. It says award-winning South African DJ, producer, and entrepreneur DJ Zinhle has officially released her long-awaited self-titled EP Zinhle, marking an important milestone in one of the country's most successful music careers.
Oh wow!
So the 8-track project is now available on streaming platforms after months of anticipation from fans who eagerly followed the rollout of several successful singles. So release represents a deeply personal moment for the celebrated artist who shared her excitement and emotions with supporters than just a collection of songs. So the EP Zinhle reflects her personal growth, creative evolution, and commitment to producing music with purpose. Bafethu, like I'm a female artist Bafethu, female version artist like Bafethu. know your craft bafethu, and ngicela draw inspiration from DJ Zinhle bafethu. She's done a lot for the industry.
Yeah. DJ Zinhle just cool, so weird music wakhe, so nje ama OGs.
Yeah, and do you know ukuthi i-track lakhe elakudala was produced by uMaphorisa. Khona le track leli My name is.
Oh,
yeah, that was Maphorisa. So Maphorisa like so Upori gave Zinhle spotlights.
Okay.
So yeah, bafethu, shout out to Maphorisa. Ningathi Maphorisa uster bafethu. Ezi abanye abantu came in bapushile bafethu, and abantu ababhayi. Yeah. Even though ama-Hotman niyazi ama-OG ama-flop abo yabo, nabo bazofuna ukucindezela because bane power, but bafethu hayi la Hotman le shout out bafethu, shout out. Yeah. So sesingena kuma release ke manje bafethu, yo mapiano bafethu, ayisiphethe ama release abhayanyana ke this time around. Yeah, so sinipethele uNtsakuzini no Messi best of both igama le project, and then isiphethe elinye EP, I think it's a 2-track EP, Soul Jam no Devin Gogo.
Okay.
So the EP is called Jola. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like a vibey. I've seen a guy share a review on Facebook. It's like a vibey, groovy type of EP, mara inobo romance type of thing. And then best is Junior RSA artist loqala like a Kabza De Small. But for Kabza De Small, unenye record label entsha called Tech Hub. So we sign artist about Junior essay, and then go keep it. I think it's a single or an EP, Dance to My Afro.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it's in Petele, Optimist, no Tapi, in Ichagalas. Wait, Chagalas. Yeah.
Yeah, I love that song.
Tapi no Optimist, but it's Optimist, I figure ngumlilo.
Yeah.
You begin their out, figure ngumlilo. The outs there, I ends a massive. Yeah, but for too, I'm a release way to lao. So I can add a few more. Just Tunyana as additional. So sin petele the living lisho on the previous episode of Vocalistic Nanko Waffles, the 2-spin chigeleza of fetu. Sin petele Stakev no Tapi featuring Kabza De Small no Maphorisa Unexpected.
Yeah.
And then again EP lagadem tuda in noise bese kuba uNobuhle imvula repeat. Yeah, so uNobuhle kwaSpana Rhythm Tuda, as I've said, ngicela nimamele naye. She's the best female vocalist in the amapiano industry. Bese sivala ngoMakhanji, who keep the album called Transkei. I think she's mostly reflecting to her origin, like Kasaphuma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, I'm artist by the female artist by push as.
Yeah, they push.
By push.
Shout out.
Yeah.
We draw inspiration, that's.
Yeah, nami draw inspiration cool. Yeah. So bafethu, don't forget to subscribe. Click in my subscription button, my notification button.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, and please guys, if you see igama, let's see what's popping in notification ingena, please ugijime ngenyawo zombili and watch our show. You won't regret anything.
Oh yeah.
So Jay, please don't forget to subscribe in our show DJ Apex. Like, share, and also comment, and please click that notification bell so that you can be notified. Guys, let's drop yabona masisipostile ube away.
Yeah. Nhlale nathi bafethu, sazongaya the best and the best content ever bafethu. Yeah, so stay tuned because what's popping sazoyenza mawaza bafethu. So ngethela nabantu abantswembu niyazi ke thina ngama guest ke ukuthi ayisenza kakhulu. Yeah, so bafethu, don't forget to subscribe. What's popping Apex Wave Media Network, and don't forget to subscribe on Lady N. What's popping episode 13 bafethu, we out.